where you are from.
My name is Kyle Nguyen. I am from Garden Grove.
Why did you decide to become a CNA?
I decided to become a CNA because my mom was an NP and I was inspired to go into the medical field.
Why did you decide to join a hybrid learning program like SisuCare versus other options that were available to you?
I decided that because I thought it was more flexible, but because I'm also taking classes. I'm a full-time student at a college, so I decided that I wanted to have more time to work around my schedule by taking the hybrid learning program.
So choosing SisuCare over the other programs was because of the flexibility, correct?
Yes.
And what were the advantages to pursuing your CNA certification with SisuCare?
I think the advantages are like just how available it was in my area.
Okay. Did you use the SisuCare weekly deferred payment plan?
No, I did not.
How do you feel about that?
I didn't use it, so I don't feel much about it.
How did you balance school and work, family, etc.? And do you have any advice for future students?
I just kind of compartmentalize things on the days they were, and every weekdays I focus on my schools and my studies. On weekends and Friday, because on Friday was when I focused on the CNA program, and I suggest others to also try to separate their days so they can focus on one and probably be better on each of them.
What was an unexpected surprise or benefit you discovered while going through the program?
I found the environment to be very nice, was very friendly, and this helped me a lot with my learning a lot of this stuff.
What advice would you give to a prospect or new student on how to make the most of the SisuCare online CNA training program?
I think I would just say to come in it with an open mind, go into it with like a learning mentality, just try to absorb as much as possible, just have fun with it.
How do you feel about your career opportunities now versus before you started the SisuCare CNA program?
I think I'm much more comfortable with where I'm going to be going, and also opens up the opportunity for me to actually go into the medical field for the first time.
And what are your career goals?
And hopefully I can become a higher nurse, maybe even a doctor.
Is there anything else you'd like to say about your SisuCare experience?
No, it was just a very fun experience, I think.
What advice would you give to others looking at CNA programs?
I'd say just to pick your programs in a way that fits with your schedule as well.